young and we didn't want to be exposed.
Hi guys! In today's behind the scenes video I decided to show you 3 easy portrait light setups and what the result you can get from them. As you can see, my studio is small, so these setups are with 1 and 2 lights. They are really easy and you can use them at home or a small studio. If you are a beginner photographer and are just starting with studio lighting, these 3 setups are a good start point. The model for today's video is Miroslava and you can check her Instagram in the description.
Running out of time. As long as we had each other, everything was black and white.
Let's start with one of my favorite light setups. It's also the easiest. I use only one light with some kind of modifier, like a softbox or octabox. I place it in front of the model, so she is evenly lit with a very flattering light. This type of light works every time and it's perfect for portraits. In general, with softboxes, it's easy to create catching lights in the model's eyes. It always makes the portrait better.
Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends.
The next setup is 2 lights with rectangle softboxes facing each other. There are 2 important things in this setup that you must know. First, both lights must be with the equal power settings. Second, you can use whatever modifier you like, but they must be the same size and shape. In this setup, the model is positioned between the lights. It creates a more dramatic image. The peaks have a higher contrast and there is no light hitting the background. For me, this look makes the image a bit more interesting.
Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know.
The third light setup I create mainly because of the dress. We had that beautiful dress with glitter and a naked back, and I wanted to emphasize that with a light. I used 2 lights, one in front of the model with a beauty dish and a grid at 45-degree angle, and the second is a softbox behind the model positioned opposite of the beauty dish. This helped me to create that glow in her hair and accent her back. Check out the shots. In the last 2 pics, I stopped the backlight from the softbox and shot only with the beauty dish, still with the grid. That's it for this photoshoot, guys. I hope you like it. You can subscribe for more behind the scenes videos. Bye!